How to redeem gift card on Lyft app. First thing first, you have to make sure that you have the application installed on a device. If not, move into your Play Store or an App Store and then install it. Once you have the app on a device, open it, enter the login credential, and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. In order to redeem a gift card, head over to this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. Tons of different options will be visible to you, but head over to the option Gift Cards. It will be landing you on this page. Over here it says Buy a gift card. It means you will also be able to buy a gift card, and then you will be able to send the gift cards to your loved ones. But if you want to redeem the gift card, here at the bottom, you'll see this option where it says Redeem your gift card. In this section, you simply have to enter your gift card number. Make sure that your gift card number is valid. Once you have entered, tap on Redeem. Once you click on Redeem, your gift card will be redeemed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can redeem gift card on Lyft app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.